Write a syntax. Expression 1, initialization. Expression 2 is condition. Statements inside. Expression 3, increment and decrement. Here I told this point. Expression 1 and expression 3 are optional, but expression 2 is mandatory. But expression 2 is mandatory, but expression 1 and expression 3 are optional. Yeah, one example. See the example, guys. Expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. One example, guys. See this. We write an example. What will be the output? We check it. See how it executes, guys. Write this example. I equals to 1. I equals to 1. I less than or equals to 5. Printf percentile I values it is printing and I plus plus. How this loop will execute, I will explain first. Listen carefully. We write different examples on this while, guys. Listen carefully, guys. Now first where it goes. Yeah, first I equals to 1, guys. First I value is 1. This is the first statement. Yeah, now it checks the second condition. What is the second condition? 1 less than or equals to 5. Second, I is 1. 1 less than or equals to 5. I value will be printed. 1. I plus plus 2, guys. Again, I plus plus is 2. Again, it checks the condition. 2 less than or equals to 5. 2 value also will be printed. I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. 3 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 4. 4 less than or equals to 5. 4 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. 5 will be printed. Again, I plus plus 6. 6 less than or equals to 5. False. It come outside. Now, what is the output, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be printed. Okay, you understood how it executes? 1 after condition checking it inside. Again, it come outside, condition checking, and it execute the statements. Okay, now see, guys, so how it execute the statements. Now see, once output I will show you. First example, only selected area we write. See this, guys. Yeah, see this. I equals to 1. First I will declare I value only. See. Yeah, guys, only write selected area. I equals to 1 first. While of I less than or equals to 5. See the answer now. I less than or equals to 5. Now I value will be printed. Printf. See this, guys. What is the answer? We are going to print percentile comma I. Now see this. And I plus plus. How it executes? One by one value it executes. Can I write a sleep function? Yes. For your understanding. How it executes, right? See once. What is output? Selected area. Write this selected area only. See this. How it executes? First 1. 1 less than or equals to 5. 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. 3 less than or equals to 4. 4 less than or equals to 5. 5 less than or equals to. If I write slash n, generate output in the next line, guys. Slash n I want to write. See once. If I execute a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever it is 5, it reaches output. Then it is output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, guys. Completed. Right answer also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one. Second one. Second and next, second question. Yeah, it doesn't have any difference. I plus plus r plus plus I in while loop. The difference means logically you have to assume, right? In that step we are not doing, right? In the next step we are doing. In the next step both are same. I plus plus r plus plus I. The same step different, right? Yeah. See this, guys. Now second one. Yeah, I less than or equals to 10. Second question, guys. Now I plus plus again. Tell me which values it is going to print. Now second one, guys. Write the selected area. Tell me the output. Yeah, you have to write and tell me the output. What is the answer? Even numbers or odd numbers? 1 less than or equals to 10. 2 will be printed. Yeah, how it executes, guys? Very good. Even numbers it is going to print, right? Yeah, see this how it prints. First one 1 less than or equals to 10. I plus plus 2. 2 will be printed. I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equals to 10. I plus plus 4. 4 will be printed. I plus plus 5. 5 less than or equals to 10. I plus plus 6. 6 will be printed. I plus plus 7. 7 less than or equals to 10. 8 is printed. Right? 9 it is. 9 less than or equals to 10. 10 will be printed. Okay. Now again I plus plus 11. 11 less than or equals to 10. False. Our answer is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now once check it, guys. Okay, na? Very good. Next one. Yeah, guys. Next question. Yeah, write this case, guys. Write this one. This example, guys. Write selected area. What is the output? Completed, huh? First complete. Very good. Yeah, guys. First I is 1. 1 less than or equals to 5. I plus plus 2. No statements to printer. Right? I less than or equals to 5. 3. 2 less than or equals to 5. 3 less than or equals to 5. Again I plus plus 4. 4 less than or no statements to printer. 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. No statements to printer. 6. 6 less than or equals to 5. Right? 6 less than or equals to 5. False. Then it comes outside. I value is how much? 6, guys. Okay. Next, the same question. Now I want to write one more I plus plus here. Tell me the output now. Yeah, answer is what? 7, guys. Good. Now how it executes? One by one I will explain. I is 1, I plus 2, 1 less than or equals to 5, I plus 2, I plus 3. Again 3 less than or equals to 5. Again I plus 4, I plus 5, 5 less than or equals to 5. It comes inside. I plus 6, I plus 7. Okay. Now 7 less than or equals to 5. False. It come outside. Answer is what? 7 and it prints. Yeah, 7 is the answer, guys. Yeah, one more statement in this. Only again I plus. Tell me the output, guys. Again I plus. In this, tell me output. Next one. That's why I ask different answers you are saying. 7, huh? Did you check? Yeah. What is the answer, guys? 10, huh? Sandeep, how did you get 10? I is 1. 1 less than 10. I plus 2. Again I plus 3. Again I plus 4. Checks the condition. 4 less than or equals to 5. Okay. No statements to again. I plus 5. I plus 6. Again I plus 7. 7 less than or equals to 5. False. It come outside. What is I value? 7, right? Answer is 7. Okay. Very good. Next one, guys. Next one. Yeah. Tell me what is the answer for this. I plus. Yeah. Now while of 1 I have written. While of 1. Tell me answer for this. Why error, Pundari? 1 will be printed infinite times. They're printing I value, right? Yeah, 1 to infinity. It's not infinity, right? Integer range. I said right, integer range. Till which number it prints, guys? You know, right? Integer limit. See this, guys. Now it's a 1 will be printed 2. While 1 means what is while 1 means always true. Now which number it is going to print? While 1, while 2, while 3, while 4, while 5, while 6, like this. Till which number? 32,767. After that, again minus 32,760. Again it goes back and minus 32,768. Like this it comes again 1 by 1 value. Minus 30,000, minus 29,000, minus 25, minus 20, minus 20,000, minus 10,000, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Whenever it is 0, right? Like this again 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite times it executes. I will show you. See delay, using delay, guys. See how it generates the number. Delay of 1000. Already I showed this, guys, in the go to. See once what is printing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this it is printing, guys. Yeah, you want some speed. If you want some speed, guys, what we can do now, I will reduce, see this delay of 100, I will write delay of 100 milliseconds. Now again, once enter, see this 1 2 3 4 5 6, some speed. I want more speed, guys. I want more speed. How to print more speed? See, I will reduce delay of 10 milliseconds. Delay of milliseconds, 10 milliseconds. Now see, now it is printing 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I want still in 1000 speed. Okay, I want speed in thousands. 1000, 2000. Still I will reduce, guys. See this? Reduce delay of 1. What is delay of 1? 1 milliseconds it takes. Now see, guys, 100, 1000 it is 2000, 3000, 4000, 6000, 7000, 8, 9. Till you can check it, guys. 32,767, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23, 24, 25, 26,000. You can check it, guys. 28, 29. See, till 32,767. Minus again, minus values you got, right? Minus 32,000 again. See this. Again, which values? Minus 25,000, minus 24,000. Till which value? Till 0. Again, after 0, again 1 2 positive numbers. Again, it will minus 18,000, minus 17,000, minus 16, minus 15,000, minus 14,000, minus 13, minus 12,000, minus 11,000, minus 9,000, minus 8,000, 7,000, minus 6,000, minus 5,000, minus 4,000, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. See this positive numbers 1 2 3 4. Again positive numbers is printing. Okay, positive and negative numbers it is going to print. Are you following, guys? Now it's an infinite loop, guys. It is printing slowly, right, Naveen? It is not printing. For example, delay, if I remove, speed, full speed it prints. Okay, we cannot catch unable to output, right? Now I want slowly, if you want to print, delay function or sleep function we use. Sleep in seconds, delay in milliseconds. Okay, now next question, guys. Complete this. Now it's the infinite loop. It prints 1 to 32,000, same like this. 1 to 32,767. After that again minus 32, same like a clock. Like it 1 to 32,767. Again it will print these values. Okay, got it, guys? Next one. Now while of I am writing, is it infinite loop or not? Question is what? Is it infinite loop or not? Write this question, guys. Completed up. Is it infinite loop or not? Tell me, guys. While of I changed the code. I changed the code. While of I, while of 1, while of 2, while of 3, while of 4, right? While of 5. when it is false, guys, while of 0 is false. Other than 0, it's a true. Do we get 0 or not? Here. Do we get 0 or not, guys? While of 0. 1 to 32,767. After that, again, negative values it comes, right? Minus 32,000 to again 0 will get. Whenever you get a 0, then it stop this. Okay, now once check it the output. Plus, see this 7,000, 80,000 minus 32,000, again positive number, and you got 0. Whenever it is 0, it stops this. Minus 1, stop. Whenever it is 0, it stops this. Got it? Is it infinite loop? Answer is what? No. No is the answer, guys. Next one. Next one, guys. Can I write inside plus plus I and semicolon? Now I am writing plus plus I and semicolon. See this. Now what it prints? Okay, first we write this. Tell me answer. What is the answer, guys? Which numbers it prints? Even numbers or odd numbers? Yeah. Above code it generates only even numbers. Why, Shiva? Nothing. Plus plus I means what? Answer will get 2, right? While 2 means true. Then will be printed. 2 will be printed. 3, 4 will be printed. 6 will be printed. Right? I want to give a sleep 1 second delay. Which values it is going to print? First, how it prints, guys? First one, plus plus I. It's a true, guys. Plus plus I 2. 2 will be printed. Next I plus plus 3. Again plus plus I 4. 4 will be printed. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All even numbers. Whenever it is reached to zeros, then it stops. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Got it, guys? It is printing all even numbers, guys. Okay, now next one. Now next one is next one. Complete the program. Yeah, now see this. Now all of you listen carefully. This is some difficult to understand. Now I want to write semicolons for this, guys. Semicolon for this. Now I have written semicolon. Is it valid or not? Now what is the answer for this? Yeah, only selected area. Guys, listen carefully and tell me the answer. Important, guys. Loops are important. Okay, right. What is the answer? Why one, Sumedha? Nothing is printed. Semicolon means what? What I told. Very good. Shashidhar. Kasturi. Nothing is printed. Why? Termination of statement. When it terminate? Sai Puneet Reddy. Yeah, guys. See once. Semicolon means what? Semicolon means terminator, right? What is meaning of termination? No statements for while. Yeah, when it come outside, while of plus plus I plus plus I plus plus I, right? How many times it executes, guys? Till zero. Whenever it is zero, it stops this. You understood? While plus plus I, two, while three, while four, while five, while six, while seven, while 8, while 9, while 10, while 10,000, while 20,000, while 32,000, again negative values, minus 32,000, minus 20,000, minus 10,000, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Whenever it is 0, it stops. It come outside, I value will be printed. What is I value? 0. See this. When it stops, it come outside. Got it? This answer is what? 0, guys. Semicolon. Even though semicolon, if you write, what is the meaning of semicolon? Termination. Now answer is what? 0 only. See once. You understood why it's a 0. Clear? Next, the same I will write. I will change to I plus plus, guys. Now tell me. Can you tell what is I plus plus and semicolon? Then what will be the answer? When it is coming out, what is the answer? Yeah, tell me, guys. One, very good. The best tree. Completed? Yeah, why? How it checks, guys? Semicolon means terminator. Termination means no statements for that. Now how it checks? I is 1, guys. Now what did it checks? 0. First, sorry. Now while checking, condition checking first. 1, but I plus plus is 2. Are you following? I plus plus as post increment. Next time what it checks? 2. No statements to printer, but I is how much? 3. Next time what it checks? 3. But what is I value? 4. Next time it checks what? 4. But I value is how much, guys? 5. Next time what it checks? 5. Now I value is 6. Next time what it checks? Right? 6. What is I value? 7. Next time, for example, if it checks 0, next what value? It's a 1. Then it come outside. When it is 0, it's checking. Now I value is 1. It prints I value is 1, guys. Listen. Understood, right? I is 1 value. I think you understood, right? Jagan, sir, explain again, sir, why is 0? I tell you, I plus plus, I plus plus, I plus plus, right? Till it's 0, it will go. Whenever it is 0 false, it come outside. Complete, huh? Jagan, understood, huh? If I write plus plus, why it's a 0? That value will be incremented. Plus plus a, plus plus a, plus plus a. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, it continuously. Whenever it is 0, it come outside and it prints. Semicolons I have written means no statements for while. While doesn't have any statement. When it false, it come outside, that statement will be printed. When it is false, when it is 0, it come outside, it prints. Next one. Yeah, okay. Next, see this. I comma j, guys. Next one. I is 1. Write a selected area. J is 1. Now I less than 5, guys. J less than 10. I less than 5, J less than 10. No statements. See this. I plus plus and J plus plus. Print I and J values. We are going to print I and J values here. Printf. See this. Percentile I comma j values. Write selected area. Yeah, write selected area and tell me the output, guys. Yeah, guys, tell me output. Yeah, Basha, which condition it takes? I less than 5 or j less than 10 or both? 10 10. Yeah, Naveen, 4 and 9. Why Naveen? I 4 times, j 9 times will execute. Is it possible? I 4 times it increment j 9 times. Which condition it takes? Comma, operator or separator? Completed. First right. Completed. Now what is the answer, guys? Here comma operator, then it ignores this. How many times it executes j less than 10 it takes? 9 times I plus plus, 9 times j plus plus, 9 times it increments, 9 times j plus plus. First how it takes, guys? I is 1, j is 1, 1 less than 10, I plus plus, j plus plus, 2 and 2, 2 less than 10, 3 and 3, and 4 and 4. Next 5 and 5. Finally 9 and 9, 9 less than 10, right? 9 less than 10, I plus plus and j plus plus. It's a 10 and 10. 10 less than 10, false. What is I and j values? 10 and 10, guys. Now answer is what? 10 and 10 is the answer. See the answer? I, j values 10 and 10. Got it? Because of comma operator, guys. Because of comma operator. Next one. Same condition I will change, guys. I less than 10. Tell me, guys, now. I less than 10, j less than 5. Now answer, tell me. Same question I modified. Tell me the answer.